हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन इससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं 5 मल्टीबैगर स्टॉक 2025 तक छप्पर फाड़ रिटर्न देंगे। 5 मल्टीबैगर शेयर्स फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 years। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, सो गाइज, फर्स्ट स्टॉक है कैनरा बैंक। Canara Bank with a target price of rupees 356. The current market price of Canara Bank is rupees 345.75. Shrikant Chauhan recommended to keep stop loss at rupees 339. Canara Bank, incorporated in the year 1906, is a banking company having a market capital of rupees 62,551.21 crore, operating in banking sector. Okay, so guys, this is the technical chart. Canara Bank share price. Recommendation: strong buy. Canara Bank key product revenue segment include interest and discount on advances and bills, income from investment, interest on balances with RBI and other interbank funds, interest for the year ending 31st March 2023. Okay, financials for the quarter ended 30 June 2023. The company has reported a consolidated total income of Rs 32,259.41 crore, up 1.53% from last quarter. Total income of Rs 31,774.04 crore and up 35.89% from last year same quarter. Total income of Rs 23,739.27 crore. The bank has reported net profit after tax of Rs 3,738.93 crore in latest quarter. Okay, next stock. Okay, so guys, next stock है Oberoi Realty with a target price of rupees 1,150. 1150 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। द करंट मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ Oberoi Realty is rupees 1,109. Shrikant Chauhan recommended to keep stop loss at rupees 1,090. Oberoi Realty, incorporated in the year 1998, is a large cap company having a market capital of rupees 40,505.29 crore, operating in real estate sector. This is a technical chart. Recommendation: strong buy. Okay, Oberoi Realty key product revenue segment include income from project development, lease rental, income from hospitality, and other operating revenue for the year ending 31st March 2023. Okay, financials for the quarter ended 31st March 2023. 31st March 2023, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 995.11 crore, down minus 39.75% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 1,651.50 crore and up 18.05% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 842.94 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 420.20 crore in latest quarter. Okay, next stock. Okay, so guys, next stock है Sun Pharmaceuticals. Sun Pharma Industries with a target price of rupees 1,148 point. The current market price of Sun Pharmaceutical Industries is rupees 1,136.25 crore, ICICI Direct recommended to keep stop loss at rupees 1123.7. The time period when Sun Pharma will reach the given target is intraday. Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries Incorporated in the year 1993 is a large cap company having a market capital of rupees 2,72,312.52 crore, operating in pharmaceutical sector. Okay, so guys, Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries key product revenue segment include pharmaceuticals and other operating revenue for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, financials for the quarter ended 31st March 2023, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 11,303.95 crore, down minus 97% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 11,414.85 crore, up 18.24% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 9,560.35 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 2,016.78 crore in latest quarter. Okay, next stock. Okay, so guys, next stock, Apollo Hospital. Shrikant Chauhan of Kotak Securities has buy call on Apollo Hospitals Enterprise with a target price of rupees 5,380. The current market price of Apollo Hospitals Enterprise is rupees 5,228. Shrikant Chauhan recommended to keep stop loss at rupees 5,140. Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Incorporated in the year 1979 is a large cap company having a market capital of rupees 74,990.89 crore, operating in hospitals and allied sectors. Okay, so guys, this is the technical chart. Apollo Hospital recommendation strong buy. Apollo Hospitals Enterprises key product revenue segment include healthcare services and other operating revenue for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, financials for the quarter ended 31st March 2023, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 4,318.55 crore, up 46% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 4,298.94 crore and up 20.73% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 3,577.15 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 142.07 crore in latest quarter. Okay, next stock. Okay, next stock, ITC Limited with a target price of rupees 478. The current market price of ITC is rupees 464. ITC Incorporated in the year 1910 is a large cap company having a market capital of rupees 5,78,497.44 crore, operating in tobacco sector. एक tobacco company है ये, FMCG. This is a technical chart. ITC Limited 468.45 recommendation strong buy. Okay, ITC key product revenue segment include packaged food item, agriculture product, paper and paper books, others, tobacco and manufacture, service, hotel, printed materials, other operating revenues for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, financials for the quarter ended 31st March 2023, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 18,244.54 crore, down minus 30% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 18,299.95 crore and up 6.98% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 17,054.15 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 5,225.02 crore in latest quarters. ओके सो गाइज, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.